What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another banger, man. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your hands on the Off-White 5s that are dropping this October 29th, this Thursday, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the entire video so you don't miss a single section on how to get your hands on these sneakers. Now, if you guys are new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button for weekly sneakerhead content, weekly sneaker updates, everything, bro. I'm telling you, I got you guys with all the hype releases, all the recent predictions. And let me know in the comment section, are you guys gonna be going for these shoes? Let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, so started off, these shoes are gonna be releasing in a full size run, a full family sizing, you feel me? So adult size is gonna be priced at $225, little kid sizing is gonna be $80, and toddler sizing is gonna be $60 US. Now, if you've been on your Foot Locker app or your Flex apps, you feel me, you seen the Jordan 5s on your little app where you can enter the raffle in. I mean, that's not for everybody, you know what I'm saying? They're only releasing at 2 stores, and that's gonna be Jumpman LA, and it's gonna be releasing at the Jumpman store in Chicago. Those are the only 2 stores they're gonna be releasing at, so if you don't live in those 2 states, you know what I'm saying, you're not gonna get them at your Foot Locker or your FLX stores. Now, as you guys know, bro, all Off-White collabs are always dumb limited, you feel me? And I think I heard it's gonna be around 80,000 pairs released or something around that line. So these are gonna be pretty limited, just like all the other Off-Whites that have released in the past. I feel like the green stripes weren't as limited because I've seen a lot of people cop those, but these are gonna be pretty limited, guys. So you are gonna wanna, you know what I'm saying, use all these tactics that I'm about to tell you about so you can possibly secure your own pair. All right, guys, so the first site and your best chance at copying these shoes, as you know, guys, Sneakers is going to be releasing at 10 a.m. EST. And the reason why I say Sneakers is going to be your best chance is because they do allocate most of the stock of every shoe, most of their releases, over to Sneakers. So most of the stock for the Off-White 5s are gonna be on Sneakers. And also the bot protection has gotten a lot better on Sneakers, you feel me? Like, bot protection is up, bro, I'm telling you. So it's a lot harder for bots to come in and cop all these pairs, you know what I'm saying? So it does give the manual users more of a chance at actually getting their hands on shoes. And also, guys, make sure you guys are interacting within the app. Make sure you're watching all the stories, you know what I'm saying, you favoriting shoes. Maybe even try sending shoes to certain people, you feel me? Because that does just increase your chances and makes you look more like you're not a bot compared to all the other people that don't interact within the app. Now, this shoe will be releasing via a draw, so it is going to be around 10 minutes for you to enter in as much accounts as possible. And you know what I'm saying, make sure you guys got all your accounts ready, all the phones lined up when it is time for that drop. So you just be clicking, and you can get all your accounts in to increase your chances of getting these shoes. And your second best chance at copying these shoes is going to be on Off-White, the official Off-White website. Now, it is rumored for these shoes to be dropping around 4 a.m. EST on the Off-White website. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if I would but I don't know if I would like stay up that early in the morning for this drop, because the Off-White drop always has problems, bro. It always takes like an hour. If you even cop the shoes, bro, it's gonna be delayed. It's gonna hold out for a whole hour and a half, even if you do get these shoes. But if you don't get these shoes, you know what I'm saying, you woke up early and you wasted heavy time just to take an L, you know what I'm saying? So like I said, the Off-White website always has a lot of problems. It's always delayed. The Off-White website just sucks. So I wouldn't even wake up early for this. I would just wait until Sneakers drops, because that is gonna give you a better chance than trying to cop on a laggy website against bots. But if you do go for these shoes on the Off-White website, make sure you guys just be persistent, you know what I'm saying? Just keep clicking, try to add to cart, because that's what you're gonna need to do. You just need to keep trying to add your shoes to cart, bro. I've been there a few times, man. I hate that website, bro. I would never go back to that website again, I'm telling you, bro. Unless we get like some UNC 1 restock or something like that. But I'm not going back to that website for these, you know what I'm saying? The website is so bad, bro. But if you guys do plan on going to that website, make sure you just be persistent. And yeah, guys, so you can try to get those shoes. Also, follow Virgil on Twitter, because when these shoes actually do drop, he will tweet it out that like the shoes are live or something like that. So make sure you guys do follow him on Twitter. And if you are gonna try to cop up the website, make sure you guys make an account in advance, because you do need an account to check out on the Off-White website. So for example, if you haven't made an account and you get the shoes, you get in cart, and you get to the last following steps, it's gonna ask for like you to log in. And if you don't have an account, you're gonna lose your spot. So if you do want to cop these shoes, or try to cop these shoes off the Off-White website, make sure you guys do make an account beforehand before getting into it. And the rest of the sites that are scheduled to drop these shoes but will probably be botted up bad, you know what I'm saying? The rest of these sites are going to be Dover Street Market London at 6 a.m. EST, Dover Street New York at 11 a.m. EST, Undefeated, which is either going to be from 7 a.m. EST all the way to 11 a.m. EST. So make sure you guys just keep alerts on that site from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. EST, because they could drop within that whole time period. And Kith, which is gonna be dropping at 10 a.m. EST. And as you guys know, bro, Kith, as well as the rest of those websites, bro, they do get botted up a lot. It is gonna be very hard if you are going manual, but if you do have a bot, you know what I'm saying, make sure you guys do write those times down so you know which times each of those sites are gonna be dropping and you have all your tags ready to go. Now, I know a lot of you guys do have trouble copping these hype sneakers, so in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about Coin Candy. Now guys, Coin Candy is an exclusive community dedicated to helping its users maximize their profits through a wide range of opportunities. I'm gonna be showing you guys the group's features and why I think it's a no-brainer for anyone who is looking to make an extra income every month to join Coin Candy. Now, Coin Candy is gonna be launching November 15th for $24.95 a month at coincandy.co. Spots to the group are extremely limited, so make sure you guys sign up to the website so you don't miss out on this opportunity. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys about some of the group's features. They have ultra fast monitors so you never miss a restock again with their monitors. They monitor the most hype sites including Supreme, Nike, Adidas, Shopify, AIO, foot sites, and social media accounts to ensure you never miss a restock. Premium information for every single hype release. Coin Candy will give its members every tiny detail such as early links, site lists, raffle links, release guides, exclusive in-store info, resale estimates, and more in order to secure a W. There's going to be free slots, you know what I'm saying? Coin Candy provides its users with free slots every hype release. Now, if you guys don't know what a slot is, it's when Coin Candy will use their top tier bots to check out their desired item for you free of charge. They also have free bot rentals, custom software. Coin Candy members will have free access to many tools. One of their favorite is the COP tool, which as you can see on the screen includes a cookie generator, one-click generator, proxy tester, proxy generator, browser spoofer, auto link opener, and account generator. They also have a Chrome autofill extension and a tool for you to track your profit and loss. Coin Candy also provides you with the best investment advice and drop preparation for Pokemon and sports cards, which is currently blowing up, and a great way to make some extra side income. Coin Candy also gives their users access to the best low-key and brick flips, which users can make easy profit on. Also, they have games like trivia where users can make some extra cash also. Coin Candy provides e-commerce and stock advice with access, free dropshipping courses and guides, support with e-com experts, trading advice, and more. There's so much for the users to take advantage of on this cook group. Coin Candy provides a lot of bot support for their members. They provide bot setups, each release, bot recaps, bot guides, and more. One-on-one support, and it also has a great community. You can meet a lot of people doing the same thing as you and learn a lot of things you probably wouldn't have known if you didn't join the group. So make sure you guys hit the link in the bio or go to coincandy.co to sign up for the launch. Like I said, guys, spots are pretty limited. This group is worth the guys that is very undervalued at $24.95 per month. Alright guys, now resale for these shoes, resale isn't looking the best compared to the other fives that dropped last year. Resale isn't looking too good, but if you guys do remember, prices did drop drastically for the other fives last year after release and kind of before release too, but you know what I'm saying, prices have just been climbing up. But for these shoes, prices are sitting around, last time I seen it was around $700, $650 to $800, around that range, you know what I'm saying? So prices, they looking all right. I do see prices dropping around $600, maybe even some sizes, like the worst size is $580, $550, you know what I'm saying? So for the bigger sizes, you are gonna see the most profit. In my opinion, size 8 and up, you will see the most profit in these shoes, you know what I'm saying? Small sizes really don't do it. I don't see too much girls wearing this shoe. This is more like a men's shoe. I don't think it would be that appealing for a girl to wear, but sizes 8 and up will bring in the most profit. Now resale, long term, I do see resale for the adult sizing being anywhere from $750 US, $900 US and up. So you know what I'm saying, it could be just like the last ones. The last collab is going for around like 1K, 900s, you know what I'm saying, something like that. So I see these in adult sizing going from anywhere from $750 to $900 plus. Now for the little kids, I do see these going from anywhere from $150 US to $200 and up. And for the taller pair, I see these going from anywhere from $150 to $200 and up as well. So if you guys do want to get a better chance, I would probably go for the little kids or the tallers, because you know what I'm saying, it's going to be a lot of people going for the men's sizing. So if you do want to increase your chances, you could possibly try going for the little kids and the taller sizes, since most people are going to have their eyes focused on the men's size. And also, if you want to increase your chances when copying for the men's sizing, maybe you could try going for the smaller sizes, like the base sizes, you feel me? Because those are not going to be as focused on as the men's size. And you got to think about it, bro. It's going to be actual men that they're not resellers. resellers, they just want personal pairs, so they're gonna be going for their actual size. It's gonna be resellers going for the most profit, so they're gonna be going for the biggest sizes. So if you go for the smallest sizes, I say, you know what I'm saying, everything 8 and below, you will probably get a better chance. But the only thing is, it is less sizes of those sizes made. For example, like they make more pairs in the biggest sizes because since this is a men's shoe, they know men are gonna go for those sizes. So they make more pairs for that size group compared to the smaller size group because they know men aren't gonna be focused on this group. That's why they make less sizes. But less sizes and less people going for them, I would rather go for that instead of more people going for the bigger sizes, which they make more pairs of. Hey, but in the comment section, guys, let me know if you guys are going for this shoe and what do you think this shoe is gonna end up at in terms of resale in the future. And yeah, guys, it's been your boy, and I'm out.